Hey everybody, it's Tim from Tim's Detailing Obsession, and today's obsession is tools that we hook up to our air compressor hose and we blow out the interior, we blow out the vents in the dash and all that dirt and dust and stuff that's built up, pet hair. Everybody that's in detailing knows the Tornador. Okay, they know that they are the originator, the one that came up with this concept. But there's a lot of other brands out there now. Maybe some of them are good, maybe some of them are not so good. Stay tuned, because I'm going to tell you which one I purchased and why. Here's what I purchased. The Rag Company, the Ultra Air Blaster. This is their second version, the V2. There's reasons why I purchased this one and not the Tornador or any other variety, but there's been plenty of reviews on these tools, and there's been plenty of reviews showing how these are used and what they're capable of doing. Let's unbox this and see what we have in here. Now, it comes in a nice fancy box, and you can see their logo in here. They got a bit of packing foam in here. And here is the V2. Okay, this is the Rag Company's second version. So right off the bat, boy, it feels nice in the hands. Very comfortable. Nice trigger. It feels really well built. Let's pull this guy out. We got some kind of an adapter here with some bristles. We'll talk a little bit about that. We've got some fittings here. So, I do know that the first version of this tool had a much longer cone, and I think that was the thing that the Rag Company looked at, and they decided that they were going to change the design of their air blaster. And the main thing they did was the old version 1, its cone, which this here removes. Okay, this here cone comes off. And it's kind of a fine threaded, but you can see there it is. The version 1, its cone was very, very long, and it actually extended to about here. So it had a long cone, and inside that cone you have a bearing mechanism here that spins around, if you can see that. But debris and stuff would go all the way down inside of this long cone and get stuck in here, and it was hard to clean. So what they did was they shortened up the length of the cone, and now it's very easy. You can actually reach into the cone with a finger and clear out any debris. So why did I choose this over the Tornador? There's been so many reviews on these two products, the Tornador and the Air Blaster, that anybody looking to buy an air tool has, the opportunity to just check out some of these reviews, and you can see that they're very, very close in what they do for a detailer. So let's just start off with this feature here, this cone. On the Tornador, they also have a cone. I believe theirs is a little longer than this one here. But what the difference is, to me, is this here mechanism right here. This is on a bearing, okay? This is what gives you that tornado effect. It's just not a simple air blower like this here. Okay, this just gives you a blast of air, where this swirls that air and kind of gives you a tornado effect of air coming out of this cone. This is an actual bearing here, and this just pulls out, if you can see that, okay? And then it just simply slips back in. Real simple to replace if you need to. This is very hard. It's not flexible. On the Tornador, it's more like a straw consistency with some weights on it. This here, as it spins around, it does not touch the cone. It just, because it's on a bearing and it's solid, not a flimsy straw, it does not rub against the cone, where the Tornador has a tendency to wear on the cone a little bit. This one here I purchased for $44.95, the entire unit, which includes this here brush, which is really nice for vents and, you know, places where you want them soft bristles. You do not get this with the Tornador, okay? All you get is a standard cone with the Tornador. So, I mean, this here has value. But yeah, $44.95 for this unit right here, the Ultra Air Blaster, versus $67.95 for the Tornador. So again, quite a bit of savings, over $20, and I don't think this is very far behind as far as quality and performance of the Tornador. When I went looking for an air tool, I wanted something that would work really well, but also be in my budget. And that's what this one is all about. It's a quality tool that has been improved, that gives you an extra attachment, that has a bearing type unit in here that I think is going to work really well. And you know what? After a while, if it gets wore out, to replace it, $16, $17 just for a 2-pack, that is a pretty good value. So I'm really excited to get this thing hooked up and use it. So I'm going to hook it up to some air right now. I'll put a fitting in here and let's give it a try. I'm going to hook up my air. Okay, and so that is very powerful. Wow. I'm impressed. This will work really great for getting rid of all the dust and debris in those carpeting, in that upholstery, removing pet hair, dog hair, cat hair, whatever, between the seats, under the seats. You know, I can just imagine getting in the back seat and blowing underneath the front seats there, blowing everything out and making the job more efficient, you know. What a handy tool. Wow, I think the Rag Company did a really great job. It feels real comfortable. Nice little throw on the handle here, not all loose and flimsy. Very, very nice. Bring it up here a little closer so you can see they've got their logo on there. They've got a little hook for hanging. Then you get this additional cone, which has got this nice soft bristle. So if you're, you know, even trying to blow out the cracks of your leather seats or you know, fabric seats, whatever, and you don't want to use the hard cone and you just want something a little softer just to not to scratch anything, or like I said, in that dash we have all those vents. This is just going to be so nice, giving it everything just a little massage, getting into them vents a little bit and blowing that dust and debris out of them vents. So great tool. Hope you enjoyed this look at this Ultra Air Blaster by the Rag Company. This is their version 2. I highly recommend the version 2 over the version 1. I think they did a great improvement with this cone design. And go out and get yours. You can get them on Amazon. I'll have all the links below for this. And yeah, give me a thumbs up. Like and subscribe. We'll bring you more video of actual use of this tool real soon. See you then.